BDR ingests HL7 and other inputs directly into Fire with 3 clicks. Fire interoperability no longer requires years of effort with no guarantee of success. In days, BDR delivers the Cures Act and Fire ingestion. You will also be able to create patient and data scientist reports and data migrations directly from Fire. This video verifies our claim as we point to HL7 data containing patient, clinical, medicine, encounter and observation transactions and migrate them directly into Fire using just the BDR Fire application containing our Fire Bundle API. The complete Fire ingestion will be available by the end of February 2022. Here we are establishing the data at rest connection to HL7 messages. We also can connect using IoT data in motion connections. Now we are viewing the Fire server as empty prior to our running the BDR Fire migration, ingestion into this Fire server. With a simple click of the mouse, the automated migration, ingestion into Fire has begun. Now with the process completed, we will look at the results first in the Fire server. Here we see the most important Fire table. The linkage table is populated. Next we view the version table where Fire stores the JSON files in blog columns. BDR Fire encrypts all the data it loads into Fire, since Fire does not offer this capability. Lastly, we see the Fire string table is loaded and encrypted with data Fire uses to operate. Now we are establishing a direct connection to the Fire database that's storing the data we just migrated to it. The user, being a patient, data scientist or analyst or healthcare professional, selects one or many of the 150 available resources and over 37,000 fields within the resources with easy-to-use search functions, to build their desired report. This report can be used to meet the ONC Cures Act, healthcare interoperability, analysis and more. All of these features are supported with encryption and multi-factor security to protect the personal healthcare information. Specific selection of information can be used for more specific reporting or scientific studies. Now the user submits the reporting process to begin. Now with the report process complete, the user can view and verify they have received their expected results and work with the data on the secured interface, or as we will see next, the user may download the data with end-to-end encryption to mobile devices, and after that we will demonstrate the data being migrated to a warehouse in Snowflake. The user now is selecting the download icon to receive a secured copy of the data on the screen to their mobile device or computer or server. Here we are watching the user accept the encrypted download key, then open the downloaded file that is in a CSV format, and now the user can see and work with their results. Now we will demonstrate taking the same report data and migrate it to Snowflake. Migration can be made to most anywhere. Here we see the table name we will create does not yet exist. Next we establish the connection to the Snowflake data warehouse and will write the results to a table named migrate13020022 and submit the migration process. With the migration job completed, we refresh the Snowflake database, and now the table migrate13020022 is created and populated, and we also see the data has been encrypted by the BDR process. BDR supplies APIs and proxies to decrypt the data with roles and permissions. Here is a quick look at the BDR roles and permissions interface. Why struggle for years developing a solution when our single application delivers it today? Install BDR in just a day. Point and click on the HL7 source. Click on the target Fire server, and run the process. BDR Fire may run in minutes or scale to your needs. Use BDR's embedded watchers to automate continued processing of newly available HL7 transactions directly into Fire with no manual intervention, lowering latency to make patient data available to all that need it.